To connect our HubSpot data to Google Sheets, first we will need to install a Google Sheets add-on that you can find in the description of this video. Then click on Install, Continue, and connect the same Google account that you use on Google Sheets. Here, click on Allow to grant permissions to Power Metrics, the Google Sheets extension, to access your Google account. Click on Next, Done, and we have installed this Google Sheets add-on. To find it, open a new Google Sheets document, click on Extensions. You will find the Power Metrics extension right here. Click on Launch, and now with this extension, we can import our marketing data from social media, from Facebook, GA4, and for this exercise, we can import HubSpot data. So I will choose the HubSpot integration, and I will connect a new HubSpot account. Here, I will choose the HubSpot account I want to connect, and I will grant permissions to Power Metrics to access our HubSpot data. Then I will create my report once I have connected my HubSpot data to Power Metrics. Here, I will give a name to my query, and this is important because we will save this query so we can set later automatic data refreshes. I will call it CRM data. Here, I will choose the Google account I have used to connect my HubSpot account, and here I can choose my HubSpot account. So this is something special because I have only connected a single HubSpot profile. But if you are, for instance, an agency, we could connect multiple HubSpot accounts data here so you can have an overall view of all your HubSpot clients. Or if you are a company with multiple sites and HubSpot accounts, well, you can also consolidate all your data together here in a Google Sheets. Otherwise, you need a lot of copy pasting or engineers. Next step is choosing a date range, and I will choose the last month, but I could set any date range that HubSpot allows you. And now it is time to pick our data. When we create a query, we need two things, metrics and dimensions. Metrics are values. For HubSpot, think of total email sends, total revenue, total contacts, total companies, total deals. And dimensions are the way I break down these metrics. So I can break down my data by company name, contact email, acquisition source, or pipeline, and so on. For this exercise, I want to choose this data. Hey, I want how many emails I have sent to a specific contact. I want the contact creation date. I want the contact email and the contact acquisition source. So I want a report about my contacts data, and I will click on Create Report. And here I have imported HubSpot data to Google Sheets, but I want to show you how to analyze this data and make it useful with pivot tables. So I will select all this data, and I will click on Pivot Table, New Sheet, and Create. If you are not familiar with pivot tables, they are beautiful and you will love them because with them you can aggregate your raw data and you can organize it so you can create new queries. So I will show you an example. For my rows, I want to choose the contact original source. I am breaking down my data by acquisition source, and I can see that most of my traffic is direct and offline. Of course, I have an attribution problem. That's not normal. Then I will choose contact email and I will place it as values, as metrics. So pay attention of what I did here. I don't have a metric. I didn't bring a metric for contacts, but I put contact email in values, not in rows. So automatically Google Sheets aggregated as count. So this is counting the total emails that belong to every original acquisition source. And with this, you can see how you can analyze your HubSpot data. The next steps is I will show you other ways to connect your HubSpot data to Google Sheets and other ways to analyze it. I will show you how to set automatic data refreshes so your marketing data is always up to date by refreshing every hour, day, or week. You will go to the queries that you have created with the Power Metrics extension, and you will click on the settings of this query. Then click on Schedule and make sure that this automation is turned on. The next step is setting a frequency. Remember, you can refresh your data every hour, day, week, or even month. And finally, choose how you want to import the new data. You can override it, which means that we will replace the old data with the new data, or you can append it, which means that we can import the new data in new rows, but we will keep the historical old data. Finally, you will click on Save, and you will have automated your marketing reports on Google Sheets.